Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we have another review video. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Irene. I do a lot of luxury, fashion and beauty, fitness related video. If you like this kind of video, please consider subscriber. It's totally free and I upload a video every week. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now, as I mentioned in the previous Gucci super mini review, I want to do all my Gucci bag review comparison video as soon as possible before their price increased. I don't know whether this is a rumor or this is true, because according to my friend's friend, she said that Europe and Japan already had an increase of the Gucci handbag. So the next thing may happen in the USA, I don't know. So hopefully they don't increase, of course. And so I will put the comparison video as soon as possible. And I already uploaded one, which is a super mini review, and because that one was a highly requested video. So now today I'm gonna do a comparison with the mini camera bag, and those two bags has almost the same price level, and this one is a little bit cheaper than this one. This is $90 cheaper, and this is a little bit expensive than the super mini. However, this one's still under $1,000, so it's a pretty good deal. Today this video I will more focus on this mini camera bag, and before we go into the detail, let's just get the measurement first. So this one, from here to here, length is a 7-inch, from here to here is a 5-inch, and the deep is 2.5 inch, and this one is length is from here to here 6-inch, from here to here is 4-inch, and the deep is 2-inch. So then the little bit smaller than the mini camera, as you can see. It's not but the higher definitely you can tell. I will put it side by side so you can see it. For the length, it's very close, as you can see. It's a little bit longer because one is a 6.5, one is a 7, and the height, this one is a 5-inch and this one is a 4-inch, so it's 1 inch. The deeper is a 0.5 difference. Super mini is 890 and the mini camera is 980, so that's the difference. And the inside, it has the zip closure, which is I love the feature of this one. Is so safe when you wear this in a lot of people, you know, in the cloud, so you don't need to worry about it. So inside, I think this is not a suede, it is the microfiber, I think, the material. And the inside is a big compartment and with the one pocket aside, and it has the strap with the gold hardware and the leather combined, and this is the unremovable strap. So the strap total length is 24 inch, so it's a long strap. So but it tends to be it's a crossbody, so you cannot do anything. But maybe I will think about it, because I'm not a crossbody person. I always wear shoulder bag, see what goes to me, how it goes to me. I will do the model shot at the last. This is, I think from now on, when I review something, I have to do the model shot, so it's easier for you guys to take a look. And the bag has the 2GG instead of the heart print like this one. As you can see, the bag have the heart, because some people do complain about this heart, they don't like it, but this one is GG, so you can really wear the two sides, either this side or that side. So it's like really nice feature for this handbag. So now I'm going to do what can be fit for this one. So let's just take the Louis Vuitton Zoe wallet. I just pick up the essential, and I have the key clay, which I bring a lot of credit card. Maybe it's not necessary for you, but I'm like I need to bring everything. So I have this one, and of course I have the Apple 7 Plus. Because the wallet and the key clay is very big, like a bulky, so that did take a lot of space. So if you don't want to take the key clay, you may be fit more. So I'm gonna show you. We'll put the card holder, organizer. We'll bring the 6 key holder from Louis Vuitton. You can see it fits very comfortably, and it do have a little bit of space there. Let's just bring this one. This is the key clay I use as a coin purse. That's no problem with that. Everything is there, you can see, and this really can go so well and close without any problem. So like that. Okay, so this is how much you can fit. Now if you pack the lighter, like a card holder instead of a wallet, you definitely can have more, because look at this wallet, it's so big. So if you pack like a really Chanel case, it definitely can fit more into this handbag. It's just perfect. You can see the wallet, the key clay, 6, and the 7 Plus cell phone, and my car holder as a transportation car holder. It can fit to the mini camera bag. So now I'm gonna show you those things, how much this super mini can fit. So my Apple 7 Plus cell phone, I'm gonna pick up the Zoe wallet, and I'm gonna pick up the key clay. I will put the key inside, the house key inside, plus the coin, like that, and the 2 lipstick, and it fits very comfortable. Those are the 2 items that I'm not able to fit into the super mini. That's the difference between them, and you can obviously see this one definitely fit more than this one. And so now I'm gonna do the model shot, and also put the 2 bags side by side, so you have a more idea of the size to those 2 bags. So as you can see, this is side by side. That's the size comparison. Like that. Okay. video, I will compare the small camera bag to this mini camera bag, and I think that between the small one and the mini one is a $200 difference. So you have an idea which one to go, and I will show you in the next video. So that's it. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope this video is helpful. So I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.